Greetings from RaxVision. Globally, we're recognized as the leader in microscopic for scientific, healthcare and industrial sectors. RaxVision offers wide range of biological microscopes, routine level up to advanced professional and research level. Bestseller B200 Routine Series Biological Microscope comes with infinity optical system and unique aspheric illumination system to provide outstanding resolution images with bright comfortable lighting. B550 Advanced Series is carefully engineered and ideal for efficient analysis and transmitted light applications. MX50 Research Series Biological Microscope is designed for professional analysis and meets all the challenging needs of research in scientific and medical fields. B200F Research Fluorescence Microscope has both infinity optical system and advanced fluorescence technique to capture the highest resolution images for professional users. I400 Routine Inverted Biological Microscope features excellent optical function with infinity color corrected optical system. Different holders are available. We also offer models from stereo zoom inspection microscopes, metallurgical, semiconductor and polarizing microscopes. M45 Routine Series is a high-performance wide-field stereo zoom microscope, with multi-coated high-contrast optical system which provides brighter and more distinctive image. M500 Advanced Series Metallurgical Microscope, for metallography, mineralogy, precision engineering and electronics. Me140 Routine Series Inverted Metallurgical Microscope comes with bright field, dark field and polarizing techniques. B500P Advanced Series Polarizing Microscope is for researching double refraction sample, used in geology, mineral, chemical industry, medical and criminal investigation. RaxVision offers wide range of digital solutions such as cameras, digital microscopes, built-in camera tablets and analysis softwares. Our bestseller, XPad 97 series is a 9.7 inches tablet with 5.0 megapixel camera suitable for all brands of microscopes and zoom lenses. With built-in camera control panel, image analysis software and multiple output interface. D-Series USB camera adopts ultra-high performance CMOS sensor with resolution from 0.35 to 14 megapixel. It comes with advanced video and image processing software and is widely used for microscope image capture and analysis. LCD2 video microscope adopts modern ergonomic digital imaging techniques. It features high-resolution 3D image display with angle inspection and laser pointer. M7 Advanced Series integrates zoom optical module, display, camera and lighting into a compact system. 4 megapixels camera restores real color with high sharpness and contrast. All RaxVision products are manufactured under strictest quality control. For use with peace of mind, all RaxVision products come with a 5-year optical and mechanical part warranty. RaxVision. Quality products for professionals.